Ang gandang type shit yung mga
Dito tayo,
matitigas. Tapos bigla
Ito na,
na
ito
lang
na.
babagsak yung...
You like the way I talk discussion. It's always
Pinantap.
easy when I touch it. Baby, I can open up your mind. Show you how the world looks like. Hindi ka sa utak lang yung meron ako, diba? If you make us a build like that, nigga. So you know them rappers ain't shit. You're riding my dick even though that's your bitch. Would you still be going down with me? Without fancy cars and some jewelry. Di kasi ako mahilig sa material things. Basta stay down, that's so I bring shit. She like the way I talk, discussion. Who's always busy buying crushing. Baby, I can open up your mind. Show you how the world looks right into my eyes. Take it to a paradise, maybe have some mind. You undress whatever makes you comfortable. Tell you all the things that you're supposed to know. Like, I'm the type of when it comes to joker. Madami pa ako kailangan gawin. Big money dapat ko pa napalaguin. Kasabay ng idol mo baka lamukin. Kasi pag nagpaulan ako baka sila natin. Hindi ka siya utak lang yung meron ako, diba? You feel me cause I'm built like that, nigga. Girl, you know them rappers ain't shit. They're riding my dick even though that's your bitch. Would you still be going down with me? Without fancy cars and some jewelry. Di kasi ako mahilig sa material things. Basta stay down, that's all it brings.
Bakit sila umabot?
What you really need is a
Pinatay ako ni Ian.
palagi naman nation. Pag-smoke, tapos ibang dimension. Tell me baby, would you die for me? Yeah. You know what's up, pag against the shit ko kaligyan. Let me take you out the hood, sasabay mag-money out. Mga downers, masarap i-uppercut. Tingin saan bad boy, bali mabigat. Sama naman din nila basta-basta matibag. Posturang matigas na salitaan. Dahil hindi na siya utak lang yung meron.
Ano ba ang going?
Pula.
Okay, Sean.
Reggie, down 4. Down 5.
Still be going down on me.
Okay.
Without fancy cars and some jewelry. Kasi ako mahilig sa material things.
Down 6.
Down,
Down 7.
Ang ina mo naman. Magtira ka naman.
Down 8.
Fucking face, baby.